What's up my simple cooks, it's John here from Simple Cookery. On this channel we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make an ice cream in 60 seconds. It's super healthy and it's super quick. We're going to make 3 flavors today. First 2 is going to be banana based. We're going to use some ripe bananas which we're going to freeze, and then we're going to blend it up in a food processor with firstly vanilla and honey. That's going to make a vanilla banana ice cream. Second one is going to be a cocoa, so it's a chocolate based ice cream. And the third one, which is my favorite, is going to be mango and basil, which is perfect for summer. So we're going to cut this up, freeze these up as well, and then blend it up and make some ice cream. Let's get cooking.
Okay, so for our first flavor, we're going to be making a banana and vanilla ice cream. So you want to grab a few ripe bananas and thinly slice them. Now, don't try and chuck the whole banana into the freezer because that will not work. You're not going to be able to get the skin off. That's actually what I did the first time I tried making this recipe. Once you've got your thinly sliced bananas, chuck them into a plastic container and put them in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours until they're nice and frozen. Now, luckily I actually froze some bananas from the night before, so I came prepared and we are ready to go. These frozen bananas are actually really good straight out of the box. You can just eat them just like this. They're really good during summer. But let's chuck these frozen banana pieces into the food processor and make some banana ice cream. So you just want to keep blending this for about 60 seconds. After a while you'll start to see that it kind of has this popcorn-like texture. Not quite the ice cream texture that we're looking for. But at this stage, let's add a drizzle of honey and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and just keep blending it up. After about another 30 seconds or so, the frozen bananas will start turning into a nice smooth ice cream texture, which is exactly what we're looking for. It's ready to eat, so let's spoon this onto a plate and there we go, some banana ice cream. Now for our second flavor, we're going to be making a cocoa ice cream. We're going to be using the same base as before, which is just frozen bananas, but now we're just going to add an extra tablespoon of cocoa powder and obviously another drizzle of honey. Follow the same steps and blend it up for about 60 seconds and it will give you a nice smooth cocoa ice cream. And there we have it. And to just top it off, let's just add a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Okay, so the third and final flavor is a mango and basil ice cream. So add some frozen mango pieces into the food processor. Add a handful of basil leaves. You'll be surprised, but basil and mango go very well together. Follow the exact same steps, blend for 60 seconds, open up the lid, add some honey in and move it around with a spoon to loosen it up and blend for another 30 seconds until nice and smooth. And there we have mango and basil ice cream.
Let's try this. I'm gonna go for the mango first. Dude! Dude, I love the mango one. It's so good. It's so nice and fresh. And the basil works really well. Try this.
Bananas taste the most healthy.
Guys, try this at home. It's like on a hot summer's day, some frozen fruit, blend it up in a food processor. Ooh, gorgeous. Anyways guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. If you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell button. Get notified of our weekly videos. On Simple Cookery, what do?
We make simple food for simple cooks.
Simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. We'll see you next week guys. Bye!